Sometimes we look for wall frames with specific quotes and messages and affirmations that motivates us and gives us positivity. But how about if I say you can create your own special message all of your own for absolutely free? So hey there, this is Rasmin. Welcome back to my channel, and yes, today in this video I'm gonna share how you can create your customized quotes for free. First of all, we will need a frame in which you wanna put the quote or message. Next, we got to flip the back of the frame to take the measurements. So here I'm taking a ruler to take the measurements. Here the width of my frame is 10.5 centimeter and the height or length is 15.5 centimeter. This would be the size of our design. Now open Google on your mobile phone or your laptop. Search Canva. It's a free designing tool. Simply sign in for free. Next, click the Add tab and choose the custom size. Here we will change the pixel unit to centimeter. Next, we will enter the width and height that we measured before. The canvas is ready to design now. I wanted a few morning affirmations to hang on my wall, so let's first choose a text style. This is the perfect fit. Next, we will edit the text to affirmations. And now we will add more subheadings and edit the text. I would like to add shadow to the text. Once we are done, tap on the send button and save this as a PDF to print. If you have a printer and you have created the design on a laptop, then simply connect the printer cable and color print the PDF. However, I'm using this connector on my phone to put on the cable and color print the PDF. However, if you don't have a printer, simply visit a cyber and ask them to print the document. So it will just cost you rupees 10 to 20 rupees. Our design is ready now. We will mark the border and cut it out and place the message inside the frame. In this way, you can decorate your study space, kitchen or living space effortlessly. Wasn't this easy and money saving? Do let me know in the comments, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.
Action.